Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 3 Preston Street in Salem, Massachusetts. Close to Salem State, right where I went to school. As you walk in, you got a nice closet, hardwood floors, and open concept throughout. It's a 3-bedroom. Here's bedroom number 1. There's one behind you. And laundry in the unit. You also have a bathroom right over here as well. As you can see, granite, stainless steel appliances, and you're close to everything. You can take 95 to Route 1 and be at the North Shore Mall. You got Salem State pretty close by. You got plenty of parking. And the good news is we have a couple of these units coming on. We have one on this floor. You also have another unit upstairs that's also 3-bedroom, 1 bath, and has a full laundry in the unit. Make sure you check it out. Check out the website www.dna-realty.com. And as always, if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.